Hello children, welcome to your English class. Today's class we are going to deal with the fifth lesson. The lesson name is There's a Crocodile in Our Pickle Jar. Okay, so do you know what is crocodile? Yes, crocodile is an aquatic animal. It is a wild aquatic animal which is non-vegetarian and it is very harshy and rash to be visible. Okay, it is having a big tail and a very big mouth. And what do you mean by pickle jar? Pickle is a kind of eatable which is used to eat as a side dish with your food. Now let us see what is there in your lesson number 5, that is there's a crocodile in our pickle jar. Do you know what goes into the yummy dishes your mummy makes? Do you help her when she makes you a snack? Here they are asking that, do you know what all your mummy is adding when she prepares food, yummy food for you? And also they are asking that, do you help your mother to cook the food? Okay. See children, here some activity is given, that is match the following. Match the food given below to the food items used to prepare them. One has been done for you. Okay, so let us match this. Now first they have matched this flour with the chapatis. Now we are going to match the potatoes with the potato curry. Then here there is a bowl of rice with some vegetables, so we are going to mix with the fried rice and milk with the strawberry shake. Okay, so let us move forward and try to understand the lesson. It is dinner time. Suhani sees the rice and vegetables served on her plate. Yes, see what is here? It was a time for the dinner and Suhani is the girl in the lesson. She is seeing that mummy has served in her plate rice and vegetables. She does not like vegetables. This girl Suhani does not like to eat vegetables. Do you like to eat vegetables, children? Yes, some like and some don't like. She does not like vegetables. She tells her mother she is not hungry. See here what reason she is giving. Because she does not want to eat the vegetables, she is telling to her mother, I am not feeling hungry. I don't want to eat food. Her mother brings out a chocolate cake. When Suhani sees the big cake, she jumps with joy. What mummy will do? Mummy will bring a chocolate cake from the fridge. When Suhani will see the cake, wow, yummy cake. So she is happy to see the cake and she will jump with full of joy. She says, please give me some cake. When mama brings the cake, she is very happy because everybody likes cake. You also like cake. I also like cake. Same like that, only Suhani also likes cake and she is very happy and she is asking her mummy, please give me some cake. Then what mother will do? Mother says, first eat your food, then you can have the cake. See here, mummy has made the idea. What idea mummy has made? Suhani is not eating vegetables. She is simply telling that I am not hungry. So mummy made the idea. Mummy will bring a cake and mummy will tell, first you eat the food, then I will give you the cake. Suhani begs her mother to give her a small slice, but her mother refuses. Suhani gets angry and goes to her room. After some time, she starts feeling hungry. She feels her room spinning. What happens? She is requesting her mama, mama, give me small piece of cake, please mama, small piece of cake. But what will happen? Mama will tell, no, I will not give till you eat food. So what Suhani will do? She will become angry on her mother because mummy is not giving her cake. Then what she will do? She will go into her room with anger. After some times what will happen? Suhani will start feeling hungry and she will feel like her room is spinning. Spinning means moving round and round. She goes to the kitchen. She opens the refrigerator door. There is a pickle jar lying on the first shelf. When she is very hungry and feeling like she is moving round and very weak, she will go to the kitchen. She will open the door. What she will find there? What door she will open? She will open the door of the fridge. What she will find there? She will find a pickle jar. She looks at it closely and screams, "Help! There is a crocodile in our fridge." When she looks the pickle jar from the close view, what she will feel? She will feel frightened and she will loudly scream, shout, "Help! There is a crocodile in our fridge." Mother and father come running to the kitchen. Father picks the jar from the fridge. He opens it and takes out a long green pickled cucumber. What is cucumber? Cucumber is a type of vegetable which can be eaten raw also and it can be cooked also. But here in the jar they have put a pickle of the cucumber, and what father will do? He will come running into the kitchen. Mother also will come running into the kitchen. They will just pick the pickle jar and remove a pickled cucumber. He shows it to Suhani. What happens? He shows the pickled cucumber to Suhani. Mother says, "You did not eat your dinner. An empty stomach makes the body weak." Now mummy is telling, "See beta, you did not eat your dinner. So your stomach is empty. There is nothing inside your stomach. The body becomes weak. When you feel that way, your eyes can play tricks on you." See here, mama is explaining her. When you are not eating food, when your eyes becomes drowsy, your eyes will play tricks on you. Suhani says, "I am sorry. I promise to eat properly from today. May I have some dinner?" Then Suhani will feel feared because she is seeing something and feeling it is something. So what she will do? She will tell to mama, "I'm sorry mama, from next time I will not do like this. I will eat my dinner properly. Now please can I have some dinner?" Because Suhani is hungry. Father says, "Sure, you may also have that Emmy cake you missed." Then what will happen? Father will tell, "Okay, after you having your dinner, you also can have the cake for which you were angry on your mother or for which she have missed her dinner and went into the room without eating her food." So this completes your lesson, children. What do you understand by this lesson? Always you have to have your dinner on time, lunch on time, breakfast on time. If you don't have food, then your body becomes weak and your eyes also becomes drowsy and you feel like spinning around and falling down. This will make you weak. So the best way to keep yourself healthy is you have to eat food on time and you should not make any reasons when your mama serves your food. You should eat all kind of vegetables. Understanding, children? So this completes your lesson number 5. There is a crocodile in our pickle jar. So let us meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Thank you.